Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, then hi, my name is Rahma and I'm doing men's fashion and grooming videos for you guys. And in today's video, if you guys can tell by the title, I have a new hairstyle video as well as a first impression of a new Hanz De Fuko hair product. Now I've done one impression as well, like a first impression of the Hanz De Fuko claymation. I'm gonna link it here in the iBar, so definitely go and check it out if you haven't already. But if you did, then this is like a part 2 of the hair product impression. So the product in question is the Hanz De Fuko Gravity Paste that I picked up. I was really interested to try this one out because it has high hold, and in terms of me, I want something which has a high hold in a product. So when I use that, I'm really excited, so I haven't used it yet one. Let's put this in here, before I start, I got a new haircut. Again, I went for my signature hair look. I got the sides short and number 1, and the top is also a little bit short. Now I did say to my barber not to shorten it. He didn't, he did perfectly, so I just only cut these split ends, so my hair is kind of refreshed and kind of new. It's freshly washed, so it's very soft and kind of this, just, I don't know what's going on here, but I did blow dry my hair, because if I don't blow dry then it will be more frizzy and fluffy. And another thing, my hair color is still intact. I don't know if you guys can tell, my hair color, my highlights is still bright and I love it. So my hair looks brand new, which I'm loving it. So yeah, I'm gonna start by using this. Hanz De Fuko, they have so many different products, and as I said, I want something high hold, and this has medium shine. All of the Hanz De Fuko products have like special ingredients in order to make the products different and stuff. I'm gonna link this product down below if you guys are interested to purchase it. Now in the UK you can buy it in mankind.com. Also you can buy it in stores like House of Fraser, not House of Fraser, it's Harvey Nichols and Harrods, and I bought mine from Harrods. And also ASOS got Hanz De Fuko as well, which is amazing. And it does have like the main ingredients, I think, is beeswax in order to make it different, and it has also castor oil and all of this different kind of oils to make this formula different. And it says that it's the formula allows for master manipulation over any hairstyle with medium shine. And for the directions it says use on dry hair for maximum hold and texture, or use on damp hair for super sleek styling. Now I'm gonna use it obviously on dry hair. My hair is kinda now obviously blow dried, so I'm gonna use it on dry hair and see how it is. I can imagine that it's gonna look pretty good also on like damp hair if we wanna have the super sleek look as it says. So yeah, okay, I zoomed you guys a little bit closer, you guys can have a better look, and I'm gonna just straight start applying it. And I'm really excited to have a smell test, because all of the products smell differently, I think. Like I've tested, I've seen the testers and stuff, and as far as I know, yeah, I can relate back. Now this has a very interesting scent. It kind of smells like toothpaste, because one of the ingredients is, I think, is the Mentha viridis leaf oil. So this is kind of this mentally kind of oil, which smells like Colgate toothpaste, I would say. But it's nice and fresh. In terms of the other one, the claymation one, it didn't have a nice scent. Obviously, as I said, the ingredients were different, but this one smells kind of nice, and I'm excited to give this a go. Now, the texture of it is very nice and soft, very soft. It is like a paste. It's gonna take a tiny bit. I am so surprised. It's really soft, softer than other products that I've used so far. Now if I compare it to the claymation was kind of very hard to get, kind of like had this grit something, whereas this one is nice and soft. I'm just gonna rub it between my fingers as I normally do to warm up the product, and gonna straight and apply it. Okay, it has distributed nicely onto my hair. There is no residue on my fingers. It's a little bit sticky, but it's not bad. It's not completely like sticky like how other hair products are. But I feel like I've taken a small amount, so I'm just gonna take a little bit more to just define like the sides and make it even more like defined and better, I would say. Just a tiny bit more onto the sides and onto the top to calm down the frizz. I don't know if you guys can see the highlights on my hair. And it does have medium shine as well. I don't know if you guys can see the shine of it. Sorry, I'm just using my viewfinder as my mirror because I haven't got any mirrors around my lights. Okay, slowly, I feel like we are all done. And also this is the kind of hair look that I want to create, and I think it looks perfect. Okay guys, so this is the finished hairstyle tutorial. I am absolutely loving this style. Honestly, I've never tried such a light consistency kind of hair product. This is really good. I mean, you guys can see it how quickly it gave me instant volume and this hold. I think it's perfect to use this on dry hair, because if you want kind of hold, then I would suggest you guys to use it on dry hair, and it also gives you that shine that you want. Absolutely amazing. So it's the Gravity Paste from Hanz De Fuko. As I said, I'm gonna link it down below, and yeah, I'm just amazed how quickly it gave me the volume. I'm so surprised, and to be honest, I've tried the claymation and I was also very surprised and happy as well. I've completely finished it and it's finished, and I used everything up and it lasted me for such a long time, so I'm excited to use this up, and I'm also excited to use more products of Hanz De Fuko. I'm gonna link it down below if you guys are interested, and also it's not that expensive. It's around £16, which I think for a good hair product is really good. I mean, it will last you a long time and it's definitely worth it. You guys can see it's just amazing. So yeah, that's it with this hairstyle tutorial or slash first impression of this Hanz De Fuko product. If you guys liked it, then please give this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna link it down below, and also just click on my picture to subscribe to my channel for weekly uploads. I'm hoping to upload more for you guys. It's just life is too busy sometimes, and yeah. Thanks so much for watching guys. Until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.